Welcome back guys. So today I am going to tell you how to create a back to top button on Elementor for free. So you need to make sure you are using the Elementor plugin on your website. So let me just visit my site. So here is my website. So I want to add a back to top button uh, on Elementor. So I will click on edit with Elementor. So now let's wait a few seconds. So let's load the page. So it's loading now. So here it is. Just scroll down here. So here I will click on here plus icon, then select Flexbox. Then I will choose a container here. So I am using Elementor free version plugin. So here go to widgets. So here search for icon. So just drag and drop the icon here. Then click on icon library and here search for hero. So here is the hero. So I will use this one. This one is quite good. So then I will insert it. This is the arrow here. So you can see here is the arrow. Go to style tab. So from here you can change the size. So now you can see. So you can make it like this, like this, like this. So I will make it 30. So I think it looks good now. So if you want to change the color, so you can do it like this. So it's totally up to you. So now let me go back. Let me go to advanced here. So from here, go to advanced and just scroll down and come here into positions. So select fixed from here. So now you can see here it is on the top left corner here. You can see. So now let me make the size little bit bigger. So let me go to content style and let me make it, yeah, I think 33 is quite good. So now go to advanced again in this section and just scroll down. So here you can see on the horizontal orientation make it right, and then on vertical orientation make it bottom. So now just here on the horizontal orientation just make the offset, just make it, let me make it 20 on horizontal orientation, and on vertical orientation just make it 30. So I think it looks good now. Then click on update and go to your website and refresh this website. So now you can see here it is. So let me click on it. So now you can see it's not working. So just go back to your Elementor section, then go back on here on top, right click here or just click on the six dots and then go to advanced section, and here just scroll down and here in CSS ID give it a ID. So I will write scroll. So now here it is. So then just go back again here on the same section here, click on it, and here go to content. On here in link just add ash and scroll, same as it is, same ID, just add ash here. So now click on update. Let me go back here again, let me refresh it. So now here you can see now it's working. Let me refresh it again. Let me go to bottom. Here, let me click on it. So now it's perfectly working. So thank you so much for watching this video. And kindly don't forget to share this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.